As you can see, I have all kinds of videos on here. I hope you like them, find them informational, enlightening, and maybe entertaining. Please subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you think of these by giving me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Thank you. I think she's got it turned on, guys. Hey, today I'm going to show you another adventure. Well, it's not an adventure. It's something we've been wanting to do for a while. Saving up for money and parts and stuff. And we've got it. We're testing it out right now. Now my wife's going to bring me the camera and I'm going to show it to you. And here it comes. Thank you, dear. What it is, it's a bucket. Yeah. But that bucket is feeding this pump. And we just got this yesterday. So I just got it hooked up. Let's see if we can get in here where you can see it. This is the same kind of pump that's in my rig anyways. So what we're doing, I bought this exact pump. In case that one in breaks down, I have an extra one. But meanwhile, we're going to use this. You can see it's got a switch on it here. Oh man, I hope you guys can see that. Yeah, a switch on it here. Got a fuse right here. Well, this wire goes all the way to the battery. And what it does, this here goes up to my washer. And there's a Y up there, so I can feed the washer with this one, which comes out of the bucket right here, and then goes up to the washer, or I can just turn the switch on the Y and use the water if we're hooked up to city water. Well, this is set up so if there's a creek nearby, we can wash clothes. It's got to be awful close because it looks like it's going to take about 13 gallons of that water, and you know who's going to be carrying that. Yeah, and it ain't going to be my boy Hank. He's having a rough day. And it ain't going to be the wife, so that'll be my chore. Once we get up in the hills somewhere, I'll bring up three of these buckets full, set them beside each other, and this is a good pump. It's pumping that all the way up from there with no problems and keeping it at 50 pounds of pressure. It's 2.9 gallons per minute, so I'm going to have to stick around and watch the bucket when it's going. But osmosis is working great. We're catching all the other water, the wastewater. We're just catching it right here into there. It's perfectly drinkable. Matter of fact, my dog prefers it. So Hank's been drinking that water, and we can also use it for anything else. We can drink it if you want. It just doesn't have the reverse osmosis treatment on it. It has the odor treatment on it, and it has all these filters on it, plus one on the other side. So that's all I got to tell you today. New flags for the man cave. Had to take some stuff out of here right here because we spilt water, so I'm going to cleaning that up. But hey, I'll let you see this when we're up in the hills or someplace where there's water. I think it'll work great. She thinks it'll work great. No, we're not going to be washing lots of clothes, but we'll be washing what we need. And you can all imagine what you're going to need if you're up in the hills for a month. All right, guys. Well, I had to add on to that video. It only took 10 gallons of water to do a load of clothes. That's a lot better than 15 gallons if you're having to pack it up a hill. So, that's all I got to say. It works. Now all we got to do is go over here. We're going to flip this switch off right here. Get it in here where you can see it. Pumps off. Now I've got a whole bucket of water I don't know what to do with. Maybe I'll dunk him. Hank, you want to go swimming? I don't think so. Hey, thanks for watching.